So this is our common trading chart. You usually see it, right? And for me, the bearish engulfing patterns is very common. You see here, it appeared that in a 1 hour time frame. Okay. So remove it. Remove on the drawing. Yeah. This one. Is this an uptrend? Very strong uptrend, right? Oh. This one is very strong uptrend according to 1 hour chart. After that, you see a candle appears. This is called bearish engulfing, right? The bearish engulfing. And let me change the color to help you see it more clear. Okay, and this is the note from me to you. You can use the bearish engulfing pattern in a smaller time frame, like 5 minutes or 15 minutes. But first, you need to identify the resistance level in the big time frame. Okay, in the big time frame, you need to identify that. Like the current one in a 1 hour chart, this is a resistance level, right? Let me change to red. Yeah, resistance level for gold price at 43.78. 43.78. And you see there is a candle, a bearish candle that nearly engulfed the previous one. Yeah, it's engulfed the previous one, the previous candle body and lower wicks. Yeah, even though that is forming a very long wick, very long lower wick, but it's not a matter. The length of the bearish candle is totally engulfed the previous bullish candle. So we can consider it as the very powerful bearish engulfing candle. And now it's starting for the current bearish reversal. Okay, the current bearish reversal as well. And then you switch it into the smaller time frame, like this one. Okay, so you see that in the smaller time frame, there is two bearish candle that engulf the previous one. So this is a struggle between the buyers and seller, and the continue candles is another dragonfly doji. Okay, dragonfly doji, and this is also for the indecision of the market. And so that is not confirmation of the candle of the market that it appear for the bearish signal, right? We need to wait. We need to wait for more detail. And it's forming a bearish candle like this. So actually that when it appears the candle like this is three white it's not a three soldier pattern, it's like three owls. Sorry, let me check. Three black browns. Yeah, three black browns. And this is for the confirmation that we enter a sell signal. Okay. So I mean that in a big time frame, you can easily identify the resistance level. And when it appears, the candle like the bearish engulfing candle, you need to wait for the next one. And the candle after that is like the confirm for a bearish reversal. all right? Because that candle is another bearish one. And if you want to trade in a 1 hour time frame, you need to follow the stop loss and take profit on that time frame. Use only one time frame to set up your signal to avoid the missing and the mix, yeah, the complication. Sorry. Short position. For the short position, the entry zone will be the closing price of the third candle. Okay, and the stop loss will be set a bit higher than the shadow. Yeah, the previous swing high, and the take profit will be set as the previous swing low. Okay, and you can see that the currently gold is reversed into the bearish trend. Okay, and it haven't hit the stop loss, and it continue to dropping drastically at the moment. Okay, so this is the example for you when identify the bearish engulfing candle in the real chart of gold USD. And this is another example for you. Yeah, this is also called the bearish reversal candle or bearish engulfing candle. But for this signal, yeah, it's not hit for very long take profits. Because the market is still under a lot of supported by the buyers. So everything is always contain the probability. Okay, so just set the stop loss discipline. Be disciplined to set the stop loss level. And yeah, it's gonna be help you a lot. And this case, yeah, this is another bearish engulfing candle. And for this one, your stop loss is gonna be better than the previous example. Entry zone is belong to the closing price of the next candle. Okay. Even though they are bullish, but the body of the candle after that is not bigger than the major bearish candle. So we can consider this is the confirmation of the market that the sellers is winning at the moment. Okay, and for the take profit, we can consider at the previous swing low. And you see that the risk reward ratio is more than 1.36. Okay. So it's more than 100% is meet our trading condition. Okay, so if you are looking for in the smaller time frame, you need to identify the resistance level first, and then you change into the smaller time frame and looking for the signal. Like the common one is the bearish engulfing pattern. And for the morning star, evening star, we need to identify, yeah, like this one, this one. This is also an evening star. Yeah, you see that? Evening star happened here in the smaller time frame. It appears at the resistance level and start slowly dropping down. Let's check the sell positions of this signal. So the risk reward ratio is about 1.6. Yeah, nearly 1.6. And this is not, this one is not evening star. This one is not evening star at all. Because the previous candle ate a 3 white soldier. And the market continues to forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so it's not a reliable evening star pattern. And let's looking for another example relating to the shooting star. Shooting star. Shooting star. You see that most of the time that the market appears in the resistance level, it's not a single pattern. Yeah, it's not a single candlestick pattern. So usually that there's a lot of candlestick. So that's why shooting star is kind of rare to happen in the real trading chart. Rare to happen. Hmm. So I will let you let's practice. Yeah, let's practice to looking for a shooting star on the gold chart because we do not have too much time. Yeah, it's already 1 hour to finish today lesson. Okay, so this is gonna be your exercise. Okay, to looking for the shooting star on a real chart pattern. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining in today private lesson with Golden Girl. And you can watch it again on the VIP Signal group. I recorded this video already and will compose it to upload it again to our VIP Signal group. Yeah, to let everyone concerned and watch it again.